Today I'm going to teach you how to use Elementor's theme style and global design system. This powerful feature lets you set consistent colors and fonts across your entire website, so you don't have to manually adjust every single page element. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, head over to your WordPress website's admin dashboard and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Pages, then select Add Page. This will create a new page for you. From there, click on Edit with Elementor to launch the Elementor Editor interface where all the magic happens. Once the Elementor Editor loads, look toward the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a hamburger menu icon which looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked together. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your site's design and settings. From the drop-down menu, select Site Settings. This section is your control center for global design options that affect your entire website. It's where you can establish a cohesive look and feel without having to repeat the same styling choices over and over. Inside Site Settings, locate and click on Global Colors under the Design System section. Here you'll see several color swatches labeled Primary, Secondary, Text, and Accent. These are the foundation colors that Elementor will use throughout your site. Click on any of these swatches to open the color picker. You can either use the visual picker to choose your desired color or enter a specific hex code if you already know the exact shade you want. This ensures brand consistency across all your pages. Once you've selected your colors, click Save Changes, give it a second to process, and apply these updates across your site. This brief wait ensures that all elements using these global colors are properly updated. Now let's set up your typography. Click the hamburger menu icon again in the top left panel to return to the main options. Go back to Site Settings and this time click on Typography. This is where you'll define the fonts that appear across your entire website. You'll see several expandable sections here, including primary heading, secondary heading, text, and accent text. Expand each section that you want to customize. Inside, you'll find a drop-down menu where you can select fonts from an extensive library. Choose fonts that align with your brand identity and ensure they're readable across different devices. After selecting your fonts, click Save Changes and wait a moment for the system to apply these typography settings globally. This ensures every heading, paragraph, and text element on your site now follows your chosen style guide. And there you have it. You've successfully configured Elementor's global theme design system, giving your website a professional and consistent appearance site-wide. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.